Hey everyone, what's going on? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video we're going to be taking a look once again at QuickSwap, going over why I believe the small or at-home miner should be utilizing it, how to get started, and some of the opportunities available on QuickSwap itself. Now, if we look at the Ethereum mainnet, the transactions are still high. However, the mining profitability has taken quite a hit since its all-time high. Especially since January was such a rough month. You can see right now the medium average transfer fee or payment that you're going to have to make to move some money is going to be around $19. Obviously, you could save a little bit. You could lower the GUI. But if you lower it too much, your transaction gets stuck. As you can see, many of these have been stuck for probably quite some time. Now, why am I mentioning this? Well, Ethermine offers the opportunity for you to get paid out, and me, with my two rigs currently earning only $43, $45, maybe $50 at the most right now, I can't imagine for these smaller miners or the individuals who have only 1 to 2 GPUs, making much less daily, ever hitting the threshold that you need in order to get a payment on the mainnet. Now, there's plenty of opportunities out there. For example, 2Miners allows you the opportunity to get paid out in Bitcoin. You mine Ethereum and get paid in Bitcoin, and Ethermine does the same thing. You mine Ethereum, but you can get paid out either on the mainnet or the Polygon Matic network. First things first, how do you add that? Well, when you go to your MetaMask wallet, which is one of the choices through QuickSwap, if you actually come here, click Connect Wallet, you would see MetaMask is available, Veni, Portis, Coinbase Wallet, and Wallet Connect. We're only going to be talking about MetaMask, but in MetaMask itself, in the upper right hand corner, you would click, it would say Ethereum mainnet, but you would click it and then you can click Add Network, and then you're going to need to enter in some information which I'll have down in the description. You would need a name, so Polygon mainnet. You would need the RPC URL. You would need the chain ID, the currency symbol, and then the block explorer, and then you would just hit save and add that network in there. Once you have added that network, you will need to add an asset called WETH. Now, it doesn't show as ETH in here, but this particular token that you see right here is WETH, or Ether POS. So just be mindful of that. But once you have that token added, you can then go into the settings of your Ethermine. Go over here and you can see, let's look at this real quick. On the mainnet, in order to reach a payment or to receive a payment, we must first hit a threshold of 0.1 ETH. That would take quite a while for the at-home or small farmer or miner. I used a Chia term there. And look at the network fee for 248 GUI. So you would have to pay that fee on the mainnet. Whereas on the Polygon network, you only need to hit 0.005 ETH, and the pool will pay the fee. So very interesting, helps you save money, helps you maximize the amount of Ethereum that you're earning from mining for the small at-home miner. To connect your wallet, it's very simple. You can click connect, MetaMask will pop up, enter in your information, sign it, save settings, and you're good to go. But Ethermine does have a great guide where it shows us everything we need to do, how to add, how to connect, and even how you can even swap your cryptocurrency, your WETH, for the mainnet ETH, which we'll get into more here in just a minute. So if you need help adding WETH to your wallet, your Polygon, or adding the Polygon Matic network to your MetaMask, I'll have this link down in the description below. If you need help connecting it, I'll also have this link down in the description below. But it's very simple. And once you have all that set, you're now mining onto your Matic Polygon wallet. You're earning that WETH, and now you can utilize QuickSwap. First thing I like about QuickSwap is, well, you can swap tokens, right? So you can earn ETH and get paid out or change it for whatever token you want. So I want some more Matic. I want some more Aave. I want some more whatever. If there's a token on here that you don't see, you can go to CoinGecko, look for that contract address, copy it, and I can add it right here to my MetaMask, or I can just copy the address, go back over here to QuickSwap and actually paste that contract address right there, and then I can swap whatever I want. So it will show you the amount of fees, or the provider fee, the price impact, and the route it will take, going from Ethereum to WMatic to Angel, so on and so forth. And that allows you to quickly swap or gain additional exposure to other assets that are available out there on the Polygon Matic network. Otherwise, what I like to personally do is I like to go to the charts and take a look at what's going on, what's happening right now. So on QuickSwap, we can see that there's over 675 million in liquidity. They did over or close to 50 million in volume over the past 24 hours. You can see the top tokens, and over here on the left are additional links to tokens, pairs, and accounts. And I have those open, but if you scroll down, you see the top tokens, the top pairs, and top transactions, all quickly, nice and neat and easy for you. What I like to personally do is come here, look at the various tokens, the top ones, but primarily when it comes to LP mining or yield farming, I look at the top pairs. So if I go back here, you can see all the top pairs, and on the far right, if I get out of your way, you will see a section that says one year fees / liquidity. So this is kind of like the APR or APY, whatever you want to call it, that users are earning on this particular pair, right? So USDC, WETH is getting 12.26%. WMatic, WETH is getting 5.71%, so on and so forth. Now, there are a lot of pairs here that I personally do not know. Point being is, there's a lot of tokens on here that you may have not heard about, and I would urge you to do your own research and just be careful. But if I want to kind of do a little bit of LP farming, not only could I do it on the main section here, where we have the pool, farms, LP mining, click this right here, but we can also do it on the charts when I find the pair that I want to get right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do Control F, Quick. We see all the pairs that are with Quick. We got Matic, we got WETH, and that's the one that I want, QuickTel, and some others. So I've clicked this one right here, and then when I hit Add Liquidity, it takes me right to it. Select the cryptocurrencies that I want to add to it, and you can see that if I hit Max ETH, I don't have enough Quick. So I'm going to hit Max Quick, and I have enough ETH. So I can go ahead and provide liquidity on the ETH or WETH Quick pair, which will earn me about 0.01% of the pool share. So you have to hit Approve ETH, Approve Quick, and Supply. By adding liquidity, you earn 0.25% of all trades on this pair, proportional to your share on the pool. Fees are added to the pool, accrued in real time, and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. So very easily gain some additional exposure, earn additional assets, kind of like staking by using LP mining. But then we also have Dragon Syrup. So if we go here to LP mining, at the very top there's something called the Dragon's Lair, and if I hit Manage, I can actually deposit, and what's going to happen is I'm going to deposit one Quick and get D Quick, and this will allow me to approve, deposit, and actually participate in something called Dragon Syrup. Now the website can be a little bit sluggish from time to time, just depends on the number of users, but give it a minute, it will come back online, or it will start to show up, and then you'll be good to go. But they got dual mining, which you can see here. If I wanted to deposit this, I would have to add liquidity. That's one way to get to it. They have LP mining, which we just talked about. If I wanted to participate in any of these, I would need some D Quick, right? So get Quick V2 liquidity tokens. Quick V2 tokens are required. Once you added the liquidity to the ETH USD pool, you can stake your liquidity tokens on this page. So I have no D Quick yet. So that's why I said I need to go to the Dragon's Lair first, add my Quick to get my D Quick, then I can participate in that particular section, okay? You can actually see it right here. Pool rate, 28.78 D Quick a day, so on and so forth. But this just gives you the opportunity to gain additional exposure in these different assets that are available, and QuickSwap makes it easy and super cheap compared to the Ethereum mainnet. Remember, just a minute ago before I started recording, I saw the fees get all the way up to $30, $27. It's back down to $19, so it ranges depending on the day, time, It could be anywhere from $8 to $30. Additionally, if you're just one of those people that just want to just instantly swap or take the WETH that you just earned and put it on the mainnet, on QuickSwap, there's a link to it. Otherwise, you can go straight to it by going to the website wallet.polygon.technology. You're obviously going to need to choose which one you want, Polygon Wallet. We're going to choose the Poly Bridge. We already have our MetaMask linked up in the top right here. And to deposit means you're taking Ethereum from the mainnet and putting it on the Polygon network. For users that are mining with Ethermine and getting paid in Polygon or WETH on the Polygon network, you want to deposit or withdraw, And so we can see here that the coin says Ether POS-WETH. And that looks a whole lot different than what we see here in our wallet. So don't be confused by that. So this ETH that you see here on the Polygon mainnet is actually WETH. And now we can go ahead, choose that, hit max, and we can withdraw our 0.2 ETH from the Polygon Matic network to the mainnet and be good to go. So it really depends on what you're trying to do. If you're just trying to stack them sats and just gain as much Ethereum as possible and pay the least amount of fees, this could be one way to do it. You just mine it, get paid out from Ethermine on the Polygon Matic network, go straight to the bridge, withdraw it every once in a while. I wouldn't withdraw it every single day to reduce fees, probably lump it up a little bit and then withdraw it, set a limit for, all right, when it hits 0.5, I'm going to withdraw and stick to it. Otherwise, I would challenge you to gain some exposure by looking at QuickSwap, some of the LP mining options, some of the farms, the pools that they have available, liquidity mining, so that way you can gain additional exposure but also earn additional assets. The website has gotten better, it's gotten faster, and there are plenty of opportunities out there for the users to get involved with, especially if the cryptocurrency that you really want isn't on the QuickSwap exchange. Remember, you can always go to CoinGecko, look for that coin, and copy the contract address. I just would challenge you to also do your own research on that particular project. People do wind up getting burned. And especially in today's market, as down as it is, we want to maximize our profits, which is why I wanted to create this video for y'all. But that's going to do it for me today. Please let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on QuickSwap? Are you LP mining? Are you participating in any of the products or features on the QuickSwap exchange? Let me know down in the comments. But besides that, do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button. Don't forget to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with what's going on, as well as check out some of the links in the description to help support us and what we do here, like the dogelore.com, where you can get sweet Serpent X merch like the hat and the Circuit Design shirts that are now available on the store, and much more. You all have yourself a wonderful day. Take care. I'll catch you next one.